Hello guys and Assalam Alaikum and welcome back to another video of Binance feature. Today I am explaining the full detail of Binance feature, how can buy the coin, how can sell the coin, how can download the Binance, how can the history of Binance, the full detail on this video. Please watch this video and subscribe my channel for more videos and other quantities. So let's go for the start the video. The Binance Holdings Ltd branches of the Binance is the golden conjugation offer of the legends cryptocurrency exchanging the word of the team, the daily trading volume of the cryptocurrency. It was the founding in the 2017. The Binance was founding of the Changpeng Zone is the development. How can the found acceptance zone the future of the trading software? Binance was including the base of China, but let the move have quality out of the China should before the Chinese government impossible register on the cryptocurrency trading in 2021. Binance was the put under the investment by the United States development of the juices and internal feature of the service. Allegedly, the money launching are the tax offices and UK financial control of the other Binance top of all religions activated in the United Kingdom June 2021. In 2021, Binance shared the client data including the name of the address of the Russia government. History 2023 and 2027, the completing the beginning of movie of the China. Geo the China of the realization founding the system of 2005. This is the many countries you can see here the very full big details of Binance. You can represent and see also language status. 2019 Binance is the United States. The region government of established Binance was the invested Binance US the exchanging the discretion community of applying US feature law, which is the notification beginning the 6 states of the Holy New York states are violated. In May 2021, beginning the news reporting of Binance was under estimation by the United States Development of Just, including the revision of server money language and language representation almost sell in the security. December 2020, the Binance America Binance will be including by the digital marketing. February 2023, reporting the Binance over the first method of 2021. Binance transfers over the $404 million from the Binance US economy server banking and many other page of LET composing and zig stores due the Binance is the quality of the message and another Binance having known metal explosions and many other quantities you can see here. This is the today topic Binance with Spinach. Subscribe for more interesting topics for my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share your idea in comments. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, I will be back on next video and another blogs and another topics and another online working. Thank you for watching.